What could be better than dropshipping? I'm going to show you something way better than dropshipping, where you ship a bunch of stuff and make a little bit of money. But first, let's talk about the drawbacks of dropshipping, why it doesn't work, and what you could do better. First of all, the biggest drawback to dropshipping is you have a low profit margin. What that means is when you're doing dropshipping, let's say you make $100,000 in a month and you're all excited and everything, your profit margin is really only 15 to 20% on average. That's not even factoring in the credit card fees, which takes another 3 to 5% off the top, not even factoring in refunds and everything like that. Very big drawback to dropshipping. The second biggest drawback is you are responsible for traffic, support, and refunds. That means you have to pay or do all the work to get traffic to your site. You have to build your site in a way that makes sales and converts them, and you're responsible for all the support and refunds and everything like that, which is a total pain in the neck for a measly 15 to 20% profit margin. Third, you are vulnerable. Now, I've made a lot of money with dropshipping in the past, not as much as I could have if I was doing other things, but what I found is it leaves you completely vulnerable. You are competing with every other dropshipper out there, including big box stores. So if one of them decides to undercut a price that you simply can't do because your margin sucks, well then, hey, you're shit out of luck. So now, while I've made a lot of money in dropshipping, these are the reasons that I don't continue to do it, and I actually found something way better. Something where I've made millions of dollars on the internet with huge profit margins, sometimes upwards of 90%, and with no competition. And I'm going to show you that method, and we're starting right now. Now, what if I told you there was a way for you to make products that you own for less than a couple $100 and profit big time? Just like my friend Kim, who does webinars with me. She set up a little product for $380, and over the last 3 months, she's made over $77,000 off that one product. Now, guess what? She only had to pay the $380 one time. All the rest is profit, with the exception of about $8 a month for hosting. Now, if you haven't guessed it, I'm actually talking about digital products, digital software products. Imagine waking up tomorrow being the owner of a simple little software tool that sells every single day, day in and day out, like clockwork, and puts money in your pocket. Now, let me show you how easy this is. If we go over to the Google AdWords tool right like this, and we type something in like Instagram on PC. For people that are looking for ways to put Instagram on their computer so that they can post and upload videos and everything like that, we can actually see that over 6,600 people a month are searching for this tool. Now, we actually did this as a test, Kim and I, and we did a little race. I paid about $200 for mine, she paid about $50 for hers, and we made a software that actually works for doing Instagram on the PC. Now, we can go on and sell this software every single day and profit, because the $50 she paid and the $200 I paid is only a one-time deal. Now, we can profit big time on this with monthly reoccurring memberships. We can also add back-end products and profit like crazy. Now, I've done this in tons of different markets like WordPress plugins, all the people that are looking for plugins for WordPress. Right, like this. You can go like this and see exactly how many people each and every month are searching for WordPress plugins, and it's astounding. You got people looking for commerce plugins, 33,000 a month, forms plugins, 12,000 a month, SEO plugins, contact form plugins, SEO, and on we go. There's even people looking for gallery plugins to put little images and things on their WordPress. Now, there are people silently making millions of dollars, I'm one of them, in this market in a really cool way, and once you get your software developed, boom, it's off to the races, and you can profit pretty much the next day. Now, the cool thing about this is there's no competition. You set your pricing, you're in control of what you make, and the margins are ridiculous, especially when you factor in the back-end profits. Now, we're going to show you some really easy ways to do this, but what we do is first find a market where people are looking for something. For example, one of the markets I found was people looking to convert PDF files. They want to convert PDF files into Word or documents or whatever it is. And they type in convert PDF. You can see there's over 90,000 people, 201,000 people, over 1 million people a month searching for convert PDF to Word. I actually created a little tool that goes on my website, and they can actually use it to convert PDFs. This tool cost me $75 to develop. Now I can charge for this a couple bucks a month, or maybe $15 a month, or I can create a whole suite of tools and charge even more. Or I could give it away free and make tons of money on the back end. Now, this is a really cool, easy way to make money, and there's very, very little risk up front because you're creating something based on an already built market that wants what you have to offer, which is really, really cool. So what we do first is we find a market using the Google AdWords Keyword Planner. Then we go over to a site like onlinejobs.ph, or perhaps we go over to Elance or something like Upwork. We get our product developed for a few $100. Once we get that product, we make a simple sales page and take it to market. Kim actually made her software and took it to market literally overnight and started making sales, and now she has a huge monthly recurring business that keeps growing and growing and growing from one simple idea and a simple $380 investment. Now, I've done this over the years with multiple plugins where sometimes I wake up to $4,000 in income without having done anything. This is just from something that I already did. So I'm sure you guys can see the power in this, and if you guys want to learn more about this, we actually have a 2.5-hour training, a full PDF report download, and everything you need to learn how to get started with building little simple software tools for big profits. So if you're tired of competing with everyone else in markets that are tapped and overworked, go ahead and hop over to simpletoolsbigprofits.com, put your name and email in the box. I'm going to send you that 2.5-hour recording. I'm going to send you that PDF report download, and you can learn how to make simple tools for big profits, which, by the way, is a lot more profitable than dropshipping. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe. Check out my other videos on how to make a living online from the comfort of your own home. Now remember, the results you see in this video are not typical, implied, or guaranteed. We don't know what our average student gets because most people don't tell us, and obviously the average person trying to make money online never makes anything because they never do anything. This is a business just like any others. There are risks and there are rewards. Just treat it as such, and I think you'll do pretty well. Thanks again for watching. Be sure you subscribe and check out the next video around here somewhere. Again, simpletoolsbigprofits.com to get that recording and free PDF download.